Hello again. Shoulder arthroplasty is performed much more regularly. Uh, Shoulder arthroplasty is performed on a more frequent basis than was 20 years ago. As the population grows older and more people are living longer, the replacement of the shoulder is becoming more and more common, and about a third of my patients are over the age of 80. Question is whether they would benefit from the procedure, especially if it causes significant pain and limitation, affects activity of daily living. Questions patients ask is, are these shoulder replacements safe and are they durable? This study published a couple of years ago in the Journal of Shoulder and Elbow Studies is a systematic review which looked at over 15 studies and nearly 3,000 patients, looking at clinical outcomes, range of movements, as well as the safety. And they found that the pain relief was significantly better in both the anatomic and the reverse shoulder replacements, as well as the range of motion improved significantly after both the procedures. And longevity, the implant lasts longer than patients. It's quite safe with a 90-day mortality, about 0 to 3%, which is similar to younger patients. The reoperation rate is also comparable to the younger patients. So in summary, it's safe and well tolerated. And in my opinion, clinical decisions are driven by preoperative pain, functional limitation, and not age is just a number. Preoperative optimization is required and a detailed and honest discussion with the patient and the loved ones before undertaking the surgery, and a shared decision-making process does allow safely performing shoulder replacement in the older age group patients. What I offer is rapid access to come and see me across Kent and south of London, and about 70% of my cases are done as day case, both in the private as well as the NHS. Here are the contact details. Thank you for watching.